Plant Cure highlights mullein, a soft-leaved herb long used to ease chest coughs and soothe irritated airways. Ancient healers brewed mullein into teas and syrups, while modern research notes its mucilage can calm sore throats. For safety, adults may drink a warm mullein tea, not for children under 2 without guidance. The video links old wisdom with modern wellness by stressing dosage, interactions, and professional advice. By honoring tradition and science, mullein becomes a gentle reminder that plant power supports natural relief.